Hey guys, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the all-new 2021 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 25 RRT. This is a toy hauler. You've got some storage space up here. You've got your outdoor entertainment, so you've got a large lighted and power awning, and a TV mount, outdoor speakers, and cable and satellite hookups. Let's take a look inside. Go ahead and start off in the bedroom. So you do have a full walk around bed in the bedroom. Closets on each side of the bed along with USB ports and outlets, and a nice little nightstand as well. So if you want to charge your phone, you have a CPAP mask, anything like that, you have a place to put that. Now you do have a walk-through bathroom. So we'll take a walk through the bedroom into the bathroom. Of course, there's your toilet. You've got an overhead vent, storage cabinet here, large corner shower. Does have a skylight overhead, offers a little more headroom. And then over here you've got your vanity and medicine cabinet. Now we'll go ahead and take a walk through this door into the hallway and look at the main living space. So here's your TV mount. All your hookups are right up there. Got a radio. Large Everchill refrigerator in the kitchen area. And freezer. Contour microwave. 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven. Check out the backsplash. Large apron front sink, single basin. You do have a pull down sprayer here, and the Cherokee line is actually starting to add in soap pumps. Got some storage up above, and back here is your dining area, your living space, and your space for hauling your side-by-side, your four-wheeler, whatever you choose to haul. So this table does come up to allow for a dining area, or you can leave it down and pull these two larger cushions together. These cushions flip around and lay down, and boom, you got a bed. So you can sleep 2 to 3 people right there. And then you've also got the party deck. So that deck drops down. If you were to remove the cables, you could drive whatever you wanted up in here. These do raise up and clip against the wall. However, if you just wanted to use the party deck as a party deck, you'd leave the cables over here on and let the deck down. It'll come flush with the floor, and then you raise these gates and fold them out, and you've got a nice little patio area. Come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.